Yar! Man, I got a story to tell. This is a good one. I was just minding my business, jellyfishing. There was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like the bully type. Walked right up to me and told me, "You look like a cookie bite." I said you could be right, but me, I'm not the looky type. So I walked away and then he hit me with a cooking knife. He said, "Did I tell you you could walk away, Sponge?" I responded no, and then he hit me with an 8-punch all up in my face. And then I lost my patience. So I spun around and whipped out two of my ray guns. He said, "Oh no," and then he tried to run away. But I said, "Oh no, no, little homie, you messed up my day." So I got up to him and I punched him in the face. He said, then he hit me with some mace. It left a taste, but I absorbed it without a trace. Then I looked at him and said, "I'm about to put you in your place, so you better say your grace." Then I chopped him in the waist. These arms may be weak, but they're gonna leave you in a brace. Sponge, don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. Mess around and catch a sting while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing. Next day, got my net, got my jams, got my basket. Jellyfishing on them with my best friend Patrick. Khakis on my fabric, I make them disappear. But this is not a hat trick, this is not magic. This is psychiatric, move so elastic. Fantastic, gymnastic, cleaning out the plastic. The way I switch this net, man, I almost got drafted. I am in my zone and this zone has been crafted. Don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing. Mess around and catch a sting while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing. Don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing. Mess around and catch a sting while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing. It's over with. I tried to tell people that jellyfishing is my zen. It's my garden. Why don't they understand that? Follow me. Your boy Sponge. Mixtape dropping soon. YouTube about to go crazy.